Hello, everybody. Today we will be learning an important concept called trigonometry. And you all can see out here that most important signs of trigonometry are this is called alpha, this is called theta, this is called phi, this is called beta. So just pay attention to this signs. Whenever in the question such signs comes, this represents that. Let's move forward. This is the question. Here, what we will try to understand is that, what are opposite sides, what are hypotenues, what are adjacents. So always remember that this L shape will have opposite side and, adjacent side. But this part out here, which is not part of L, will be always hypotenuse. Just remember this, okay? Now, opposite side for this alpha. We are just talking about alpha right now. What is the opposite side to this alpha? Opposite side to alpha is BC because it is opposite to alpha. And what is adjacent side to alpha? Adjacent side to alpha is AB. Similarly, now let's talk about opposite side to theta. Opposite side to theta is AB. Adjacent side to theta is BC. Are you all with me till here? And AC is the hypotenuse for both of them. Now, very, very important formulas, what we will be learning out here. It is very easy to remember these formulas. Just pay attention. Here, whatever formulas we will learn, it will roll around in terms with opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse. First, let's talk about opposite and adjacent. Tan theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. As A comes first, I have taken that first. Sin theta comes as opposite over hypotenuse, right? And cos theta is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. It's easy to remember. So as alphabetically we have gone in that manner. Now there is one derivation over here which is very interesting, kiddos. Look, pay attention. There is this called as opposite over hypotenuse divided by, we will be just focusing on this two. Opposite over hypotenuse divided by adjacent over hypotenuse. So when division rule, we will apply opposite over hypotenuse, multiplication hypotenuse over adjacent, this cut, this cut. So what does tan theta means? Tan theta means, what we got is tan theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. Did you understand this? So what did we derive over here? That tan theta also means sin theta over cos theta. So you can also say tan theta is equal to opposite over adjacent, or you can say sin theta over cos theta. Just remember this rule. Okay, next. Let us talk about this question. Here you have got one side 3 centimeter, another side 5 centimeter, another side 4 centimeter. And we have to think that, let us find sin, tan, cos over here. So we know sin theta's formula is what? Sin theta, as theta is given over here, we will talk about sin theta. Sin theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. We know very well this is our hypotenuse, right? What is opposite? Opposite to sin theta, this is opposite to theta. Opposite to theta, this is opposite and this is adjacent. So what is my sin theta? It is 4 centimeters over 3 centimeters. Let us first do tan theta. I mean, we have done sin theta. Now let's talk about tan theta. It is opposite over adjacent. What is opposite over here? 4 centimeters. What is adjacent over here? 3 centimeters. And then sin theta is opposite over hypotenuse. Sorry, I've made a mistake over here. This should be 5 centimeters. Are you all with me? And then cos theta is very simple. Cos theta is what? It is up. Sorry, it is adjacent over hypotenuse. So what is adjacent? 3 centimeters. What is hypotenuse? 5 centimeters. So we have derived all three of them over here. Next, this is the shape. Okay, what I said, and again I am repeating this. L shape will be always opposite and adjacent. This part which is not part of L will be hypotenuse. Okay, here I have to derive this 41 degree. Okay, I have to derive this for, this is my, you can say this can be my theta, this can be my alpha. So always whenever we have to find such questions, we will always take things in terms of degrees. Okay, so opposite to 41 degree, this is opposite side, and here next to 41 degree, this is adjacent side. I have got 41 degree, I have got opposite and adjacent. So opposite divide by adjacent is what? What all data I have? I have got 7.8 meters. I have got this 41 degree. I have got x meters. So I have got opposite, I have got adjacent, and I have got this 41 degree. Now this 41 degree, opposite and adjacent, is formula of whose? It is tan. So you have got tan 41 degree. You have got opposite, which is 7.8, and you have got adjacent, which is x. So tan 41 degree is equal to 7.8 over x. So now what we will do? We will find this tan 41 degree first. So you can straight away take help of your calculator. So what is that 10? Just, on your scientific calculator or on your financial calculator, you will see an icon 10. Press that 10 and then press 41. So that will give you 0.86 on your calculator, right? So we will take that, which is, or what is best, rather than doing all these things, we can straight away take this way, take this x this side. Correct. I want to find this x, so I will take this x like this, 7.8 divide by 1041, because we know no sign between 1041 and x is multiplication. When goes on another side becomes division. Now straight away on your calculator, 7.8 divide by 1041. So what is the answer? Answer is 8.97 m. Correct. So we got our value for x, which is 8.97 m. Are you with me, kiddos? Still here? Next question. Let's try this next question. Here we have got 61 degree, we have got x, we have got 9.6. Always we know that part which is not related to L shape, part which is not related to this L shape is hypotenuse, because this side is not related to our L shape. So this is hypotenuse. Now opposite to this 61 degree, whatever is the degree, on the basis of that we will take our opposite and adjacent side. So opposite to this 61 degree, this is opposite, and next to this 61 degree, this is adjacent. Yes, we are clear till here. Now what we will do, just think about this formula for opposite over adjacent is whose formula? Opposite over adjacent is whose formula? Opposite over adjacent is tan's formula. I have got opposite over here, which is x. I have got adjacent over here, which I have to, no, see, listen, kiddos, this is not opposite over adjacent. This is what I have got over here. I have got opposite and hypotenuse. Sorry, kiddos, I did a mistake. We have got opposite and hypotenuse, right? We don't have any value for adjacent over here. So I have got opposite and hypotenuse. I have got this degree out here, which is 61 degree. So opposite over hypotenuse is whose formula? Opposite over hypotenuse is sin formula. So sin 61 degree we have got, which is you can say sin, you can say sine, whatever. It depends on the pronunciation. It's, as per your pronunciation. So, what is opposite? Opposite is x. What is hypotenuse over here? It is 9.6 centimeter. And since it's sine 61 degree, we can just write like this. So can I say x is equal to sine 61 into 9.6? So sine 61, just take it on your calculator, into sine, select sine, and then 61, and straight away into 9.6. So answer what you got is 8.39 centimeters, which is equivalent to 8.40 centimeters. Are you all clear till here? Now let's cover up next type. Over here, we have got theta. Okay, opposite to theta, this is opposite, this is adjacent, this is hypotenuse. So what I have got over here, I have got opposite, I have got adjacent, and this opposite over adjacent values we have got, and this is the formula for what? It is tan theta. Correct? I have got opposite, which is 4m. I have got adjacent, which is 7m. I have to find tan theta, right? Now let us straight away do 4 divided by 7 first. This is 0.57 is tan theta. I have to find this theta. So I will take this 10 this side. So when I am taking this 10 this side, what I am doing? I am taking inverse of 10, right? I am taking inverse of 10. So, either you can do this way, or what you can do straight away, rather than doing all these calculations, straight away take tan theta this side. On the opposite side, it becomes 10 inverse. So, don't get into all these calculations. This is a long cut. So straight away do tan inverse. So tan inverse is what? Look on your calculator. There is tan directly. But in order to select tan inverse, just select shift and 10. So when you will select shift and 10, you will get tan inverse, which is this way. This thing will come on your calculator. And then straight away, you can opt for fractions on the on your financial calculator, which is a sign like this. And you can put 4 and 7. And if you are using scientific calculator, open bracket, put 4, divide by 7, close bracket, and then select if is equal to on your calculator. You will get answer as 29.74, which will be your answer. Are you all with me, kiddos? This applies to GDCs also, but there you will select EXC. Okay, next sum. So that's why, what is my answer over here? Theta is equal to 29.74. Correct? So this is 29.74. Now let's take same variety but different sum. Okay, here this is hypotenuse, opposite to theta. This is opposite. This is adjacent. Are you all with me till here? I have got adjacent over here. I have got hypotenuse over here. So as I have got adjacent, hypotenuse is equal to theta. Adjacent over hypotenuse is whose formula? Kiddos, adjacent over hypotenuse is whose formula? Yes, you all are right. This is cos formula. Now, I've got adjacent, which is 2.67. Sorry, I've got hypotenuse, which is 5.92. And I want to find this theta. So in order to find this theta, I will take cos on another side. So it will become what? Cos -1, right? Cos exponent -1. So just take 2.67. Let's take cos -1 on the calculator first. So shift, press cos, you will get -1. In it is already been taught earlier that fraction you can select this way. And if it is scientific calculator, open the bracket, take 2.67, divide by 5.92, close the bracket. Answer is what? It is 63.19, which is equivalent to 63.20. So your theta, your cos theta, your this value theta is 63.20. Correct, kiddos? So just go through this video properly and appear all the worksheets. Thanks a lot.